Everyone, Andrew at DeVos out here. I am out checking on a local customer this morning before they get up and rolling. Right up there, we have an X9 1100 with a folding 16 row head. We equipped them with 6 rows of Kernel Keeper here in August. And so I got a couple spots here to show you what we're looking at. In this spot right about here, I got measured about 2 square feet. And I got about 6 to 7 kernels in that 2 square feet. So remember, quick math is 2 kernels per square foot. It comes out to 1 bushel an acre. So then we can come over here to the rows that are missing kernel keepers. And in the same about 2 square foot area, I got about 10 kernels in here. So you can tell it's just some substantial savings with a very minimal, very clean system. And as you can tell, they can shell off some acres in short order with this combine.